Okay guys, I want to show you something on this Nissan. The one we just sent was a 2013 Nissan Rogue. Now this one is a 2007, I believe, Nissan Altima, but they're the same. So if you have a misfire, and we would have a misfire on number one, we'd get a PO300 and a PO301. Change the coil, and then we get a PO300 and a PO303, third cylinder. And then change the coil, change the plug, whatever, and then it would bounce around again to maybe a PO304, PO302, or PO302 with the PO300. So you'd have the random misfire, then you'd have the specific cylinder. And so we're kind of chasing our tail on it and stuff. Well, on the other one, the harness that went right across the head here, this little plug was inside there. On the Altima, it's right here, and it was taped up. You can see how we had to cut it open here in order to get to it. So here's the actual name of it. It's a condenser IG coil. The IG is ignition. Condenser ignition coil. When it goes bad, this is the capacitor, holds 2.2 volts, I believe. And every time that one of the ignition coils wasn't getting enough voltage, this would boost the voltage to that coil. Without it, when it goes bad, it drops the voltage and it ends up throwing a misfire on that cylinder. And it was just so random. And every time you repair something, it would jump back to another one. I hope that makes sense. So it's a Nissan thing. We also had a 95 that had one, but we could not use, even though it plugged into it the same, the capacitor was different. We could not use it. We tried and it didn't work. And it's a separate part number for that year. So just look into that. It's, or not capacitor, condenser. You know what I mean. So condenser ignition coil, if you have this issue, cut into your harness a little bit if you see a bulge tape somewhere, and look for this little condenser ignition coil. So it just kind of helps the coil. So I hope this helped you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.